Hey, I'm Heather, and I want to welcome you to The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. So stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
So today, we're in Palmetto Trace, a wonderful family-oriented subdivision. It's perfectly located right near Pier Park. What that means is you've got a grocery store right here, you've got all your Walmart, your Target, and that's just perfect. This cute house with this great flooring is a 3-bed, 3-bath. What's so great about that extra half bath is the fact that your guests don't have to go use the kids' bathroom and they don't have to see all of that. So that's wonderful. The kitchen is open to the living space and the backyard is spacious enough for your pet family and the kids. And as you can see, this neighborhood offers 2 pools, not just one, for your family's experience. So if you would like more information about this listing, check in the description below for the link to the actual photo and listing description for more information. And don't forget, if you want to see more great listings by thebeachshow.com, then check us out. Make sure that you hit that bell and subscribe so that you know when our next home is available for you to see. Bye for now.